Prince Andrew is set on staying in his current home in Windsor despite no apparent means of paying for its upkeep, it has been reported. The Duke of York is the resident of Royal Lodge in Windsor, having been given a 75-year lease of the property following the Queen Mother's death in 2002. As part of the agreement he struck when moving into the home, the 62-year-old is reportedly required to carry out significant refurbishments on the property. The last major works were carried out 20 years ago, and it is not clear if more are imminently scheduled. A source told Mail Online that Andrew is pretty unlikely to leave the property, which has been valued at £30 million and boasts 30 rooms including a sun-soaked conservatory, grand living rooms, and an indoor pool. It is unclear how the prince would pay for refurbishments. Getty Images. Andrew lives there with his ex-wife Sarah Ferguson, who moved back into the family home despite their divorce. The Duke's money situation has come under intense scrutiny over recent months due to the conclusion of a sexual abuse case brought against him by Virginia. Meghan Markle knocks Harry sideways emotionally with public gesture, says expert. Meghan Markle's gushing tribute to Harry brings him to brink of tears, speech in full. The case, which saw Andrew accused of sexually abusing her on 3 occasions, was settled out of court. It was reported that the case ended with a £12 million payment to Ms. Giuffre's team, leaving the Duke's finances in a significantly worse state. How he now funds his lifestyle, and plans to upkeep a Grand 2 listed property, remains unclear. The Duke moved into the property following the Queen's mother death. Jonathan Buckmaster. He is currently selling a ski chalet he owns, which was bought by his ex-wife in 2014 for £8 million, with a mortgage and private funding from the Queen, the Telegraph reported. When he was a working royal, it was suggested that Prince Andrew received about £250,000 per year, but that income stopped when he stepped down from official royal duties in 2019. Andrew also receives an armed forces pension, thought to be about £20,000 a year. The Royal Lodge has 30 rooms. Roland Hoskins, ANL, Rex, Shutterstock. With question marks over how Andrew could afford to continue to live at Royal Lodge, some had suggested the historical property as a potential home for the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. Kate, William and their 3 children are said to be considering a move to Windsor, where the parents have been viewing potential schools for their eldest. Another potential home for them is Adelaide Cottage, which is in the grounds of the Windsor Home Park, which was built in 1831 by King William IV. Read more. Meghan exclaims Slava Ukraini at Invictus opening ceremony in support of Ukraine. Read more. Mum issues car seat warning after son, 10 months, left fighting for life after crash.